We got the valet parking, you know, because we don't want to be looking for parking. So that we got that valet parking. Échalos aquí.
Where?
En la bolsa. Right. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day to be at the zoo today because it's like 69 degrees and it's not too hot, it's not too cold.
You guys didn't see that.
We can go down. So it's a beautiful day to go to the zoo. What is that? Like every time we come to San Diego, it's never like for the zoo or any of that stuff. It's like to go to Tijuana and we never actually stay here.
Look at the eye.
Pónganse ahí so you can guys take a picture.
Okay.
We're about to go on a tour. We're waiting to get in line. To get on the bus. Okay, so we're officially on the bus, and apparently this is like a 35-minute drive that takes you like around the whole thing. What side? ¿En qué lado? This side or this side?
So my dad is gonna do. My mom right there. Look.
Mira, mamá, take a look at the film. Wow.
That's the noise. Oh my God. That's the noise. You do everything like that. So I did that right there. Yeah. So my half this to my mom. Here you go. Here, bye.
This is the bird cage que hay aquí en el zoológico. They have like
He likes the water.
So it is already like almost 2 o'clock and we're at the panda section in the zoo.
So,
We did a little bathroom break and now we're just waiting for
Jose.
we're waiting for Papi to hurry up.
There's Papi.
He's already out. So he's already out, but we've been waiting for a minute now. And like entre más te sientas and you get tired fast.
Then I'm back.
I know you are.
After a 3-minute long restroom break.
No, it wasn't 2 minutes.
The rush.
They have orange chicken.
The rush dude.
I told the kids she didn't want to eat, but she said that te vas a esperar or you want to eat. So I'm editing the zoo vlog right now. I totally did not do an outro to this video, so I just left you guys hanging. What part did I leave y'all hanging in the kids playing and the gorillas. I just left you guys there. I think I stopped recording after that. I just put the camera down and I was just enjoying the rest of the time with my family. But it's super late. I am super tired. I'm gonna go to sleep after this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to the Casas fam. I will see y'all in my next video.